Hey Sunny, my name is Wendy and I will be your trainer today. Today we are doing a 10-minute lower body toning workout for our New Year's resolutions series. Happy New Year's. We are going to be doing one circuit 2 times through. It's only going to be 3 exercises and we're just going to hit it really fast. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Hey Sunny fam, welcome back. My name is Wendy and I will be your fitness instructor today. Welcome to our New Year's resolution series. We are so excited and we are going to do a 10-minute lower body toning workout today. We are going to do one circuit 2 times. There's 3 exercises involved and I'll take you through it. Each one will be about 45 seconds long and we will transition in between. So let's get started. We're gonna start in a lunge. So I'm gonna turn to the side so that you can see me. We're gonna send that right leg back, moving into that left leg, pulling that right knee up as we stand up. Lunge back, knee up. Lunge back, knee up. Pretty simple, easy exercise here. So we're gonna be staying on this left leg for this first one and your second exercise that you're going into next. For this lunge, it doesn't need to be fast. It can actually just be a slower tempo for you. You could lose your balance like that, it's fine. Drive that knee up. When you come down into this lunge, let's do 90-90. So 90 degrees on your front knee, 90 degrees on your back. Drive it up, very good. 3, that's 2, give me 1 more, and 1. Nice job. Still working on that left leg. We are going to pivot your foot, your right foot back, and you're gonna go into a deadlift here. So I'm gonna show you 2 different ways that you can do this. If you wanna put your hands behind your heads for this, you can. If you want more of a challenge for this, you can balance on one leg and stand up. So if you're like, lady, I can't balance, it's the new year, that's okay. Just go ahead and pivot on that back foot here to give you a little bit more support, but you should feel this driving into your quad and your glute on your standing side. And considering we just worked that, it's probably firing up a lot right now. You can do this. If you want to try out a few balance moves first, that's fine. Wherever your hands want to be placed, behind head or on your hips, is good with me. You got 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. We're going straight into the other leg. Left leg comes back, drive that knee up. Left leg back and knee up into that lunge. So you might notice that as I come down into this lunge, I'm tilted a little bit forward. That just helps protect my lower back because I have an injury. If you want to be upright, that's totally fine. Whatever feels more comfortable to you, I'm good with. Again, you can keep those arms moving. You can have your hands on your hips. Whatever placement is best. Very good. Here we go. We're not really going for number of reps here, as many as you can get in, but you don't need to be speeding through this. I would really rather your form be perfect and you work on that balance. In 3, 2, last one. Nice job. All right, pivoting here. Let's bend it forward. Driving into that standing leg. There is like no weight going on in this leg. It's really just a kickstand here. Nothing's happening there. If you want to try out your balance, go ahead and do this single leg deadlift with me. You might notice that one leg is a little bit better than the other. See, balance is hard, especially in the new year. And lift, nice job. If you are doing this one where you're fully extending, I just wanna make sure that your hips are straight down towards the ground as you lift and lower. Nice job. Either one is fine with me. Almost there. You got 3, 2, nice job, last one. Woo, that's 2 of your exercises. The last one, we're gonna come down to the ground. So you're gonna start in a plank position. We're gonna do mountain climbers on each side. It's gonna be twisted mountain climbers. So knee to opposite elbow, and then we're gonna do a push back. So let's get started here in that plank. Left knee to right elbow, step it back. Right knee to left elbow, step it back, push it back. Very good. Reset, twist, twist, push back. So obviously this is engaging your core as well, but working that lower body on that squat push back, forcing your legs to do some work here as they twist across your body. Twist, twist, push back. Nice job. Last one here, and push it back. Woo, step it forward and up. Amazing job. That's it, we got one more round, so let's get started. Which leg did I start with? I don't remember. Well, we're gonna do this leg first, great. Right leg back first, I think that was right. Knee up. Here we go, step it back, drive it up. If you started with the other leg, or if I started with the other leg, it's okay, we're gonna get to both legs, so don't worry. You will have a chance. Again, going slow, making sure every movement is really precise, dropping as low as you can in that lunge. Don't treat yourself, this is only a 10-minute workout, so you gotta make it count. Very good, deep breath. Woo, come on. 3, almost there, 2. Very good, last one. Amazing. All right, keeping on that left leg, go ahead and kickstand. Here we go. If you want to take that challenge pose, lifting your back leg up, feel free to do so. Or you can stay with this kickstand, whatever is best for you. I really feel it actually in the kickstand form, so as long as you are activating up the side of your leg into your quad, you should feel a little bit in your hamstring as it helps stabilize, and definitely in your glutes. Almost there. I am pushing through the full base of my foot here. Amazing. Woo, come on. You got 5 seconds. Make it count. This is the last time you're doing it on this leg. I know it burns. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Ooh, shake it out. All right, left leg goes back. Here we go. Lunge it back, drive it up, and up. Nice job. If you are like, look, lady, you're going too slow, you can speed up the pace. That's totally fine. As long as you're keeping form, I'm fine with it. If you're getting all wonky with it, go ahead and just slow yourself down. Amazing. Again, arm placement kind of just depends on you, whatever feels the most comfortable. Kick it back, drive it up, using those lower abs to drive that knee up. We are almost there. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, give me one more. Nice, all right. Kickstand with that left foot, here we go. Drop it. Again, if you want to take that challenge pose, you can do it now. If you are taking the challenge pose, you can have your hands at prayer when you lean forward, or your arms can go out as you extend. Whichever one feels the best for you. Obviously, this is working on your balance a little bit more than the kickstand would. So pick your poison here for the new year. I believe in you. If you haven't tried at least one of the challenge moves yet, I encourage you to do so now. Keep pushing. You are almost through this, y'all. You got 3. That's 2. Give me one more. Woo! All right, let's drop it down. Last minute, right here. Popping up into that plank position, crossing your body. Here we go. Left to right, extend back, right to left. push back. One done, nice. Really twist, working those obliques, forcing your abs to take over here and help you out. Again, just like all the other moves, this doesn't have to be super fast. I just want you to be consistent and stay in it. If you're like, I can't keep holding this, just come hang out in a plank with me. Just stay right here, just don't drop, okay? New year, new you. Ew, that's so gross. What an inspirational speech that was. Okay. But actually though, this is a different you. And you can do this. You're a person who stays in the workout and doesn't quit. So stay with me. We got 5 seconds and you are out of here. 3, last one here. Push it back. Woo! Amazing job. I am so proud of you. Happy New Year's. Way to kick butt already in the beginning of this year. I will see you back here soon.